Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech-related content. Nitrobox, a comprehensive overview of the platform's features and functionalities. Navigating to nitrobox.com opens a gateway to a diverse suite of tools designed to streamline and enhance various digital tasks. From file sharing and storage to project management and collaborative workspaces, Nitrobox provides a centralized platform for individuals and teams to connect, organize, and achieve their goals. The platform's interface is designed for intuitive navigation, enabling users to quickly access and utilize its core functionalities. A key feature of Nitrobox is its robust file sharing and storage capabilities, allowing users to securely store, manage, and share files of various formats with colleagues, clients, or external partners. Granular permission controls ensure data security and allow for customized access levels, facilitating seamless collaboration while maintaining control over sensitive information. Beyond file management, Nitrobox offers integrated project management tools. Users can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all within the platform. This streamlined approach to project management fosters team communication, enhances transparency, and promotes efficient workflow. Real-time updates and notifications keep team members informed of project developments, ensuring everyone stays aligned and on track. Nitrobox also emphasizes collaborative workspaces, enabling teams to communicate effectively, share ideas, and work together on documents and projects in a shared virtual environment. Integrated communication tools, such as instant messaging and video conferencing, further facilitate seamless collaboration and eliminate the need for external communication platforms. The platform's versatility extends to its integration capabilities, connecting with various third-party applications and services to further enhance its functionality and provide a comprehensive digital workspace. By consolidating essential tools and services into a single platform, Nitrobox empowers users to simplify their workflows, improve productivity, and achieve greater efficiency in their digital endeavors. Whether it's file management, project coordination, or team communication, Nitrobox offers a versatile and powerful solution for individuals and teams seeking a centralized platform to manage their digital world. Explore nitrobox.com today to discover the full potential of its integrated features and functionalities.